to make colloidal silver today. We've got 2 pieces of wire with alligator clips on each end. Black for ground, red for positive. Pretty routine. Okay. Buy those at AutoZone or Kragen or Radio Shack even. Alright. We've got 1 quart of distilled water. Steam distilled, not reverse osmosis. We have our 2.999 fine silver coins. We have a potato chip bag thing to set on top of the jar. And we have our 3 9-volt batteries with the terminals, see? Okay, so you hook these in series, positive to negative, positive to negative, and you've got your, there we go, got your power source. Okay. 1 coin on each of the alligator clips. Okay. The alligator clips through your dealy bob here till they're hanging down just enough and close enough together. You want them as close as possible. There we go. Okay. And into the water they go. Alright. Oh. Okay, and we're going to put a little more water in. All the way up just to below the alligator clips. You do not want the alligator clips in the water. Can we see they're not in the water? Okay. Alright, then positive is the little one, negative is the big one, positive to positive, negative to negative, and set everything aside so it doesn't fall over. Set our timer for 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Alright, about 10 minutes in, and we're starting to see the molecular silver, if you can see through the water there, you see the little tendrils of smoke. Those are the molecules of silver coming off of the coin and into the water. You can also see some bubbles forming on the negative side. Okay, we've had about 45 minutes here, and you can really see the tendrils starting to form, going all the way down now to the bottom of the jar. This is probably 4 to maybe 6 parts per million. There's the 45-minute mark. This is the strength you would want to use for mouth rinse, minor cuts and abrasions, burns on burns, scratches and stuff. We're going to go for about 10 parts per million, which is really effective at killing bacteria. So we're going to go another 25 or 30 minutes and see what the color looks like. We're looking for a yellow tint. Alright, it's been 90 minutes, so we're going to disconnect everything and pull everything apart here. Okay. And you can see how the coins have been tarnished. Yeah, so we just get a towel, wipe those off, and they're ready for the next time. We'll have to make some more. See the color yet, but it's pretty consistent. It'll darken some over the next 24 hours into the shade that we want. So there you go. Pour that into a hydrogen peroxide bottle that's been thoroughly cleaned, of course. And you can keep that. That's good for about a month's worth of 2 to 3 tablespoons a day for general health. And if you have an infection that you want to get rid of, up the dose to quarter cup a day. And here, I don't know if you can see the color better. Flashlight go. There. That's the color you want. According to the color charts I found on the internet, this is between 10 and 15 parts per million. Nice yellow. That's very good. Alright.